Hey everybody, it's Kevin. Hold on, does this mic work? Okay, I'm not sure, but I'm guessing yes. Today we're gonna be reacting to a goal horn. I've never done this ever. We are gonna do the first one, my hometown team, the Bruins. I can't upload NHL 18 videos because I'm on vacation right now. So I'm just gonna do this because I found Facecam. I found out Facecam, and now my videos might be a little bit better to understand. Okay, so I'm still filming on my iPad, but not to worry because I made a bit of an improvement. So here we go, Boston Bruins 2018-2019 goal horn. Sorry guys. Alright, yeah, I thought that goal horn was okay. It is going in the top 5. I love the goal horn. The horn is high pitched perfectly. It's just got that playoff feeling where whatever your score, they always feel like, oh yes, it always gets that feeling like you won the Stanley Cup or something. I don't know, but it has to go in 2 or 3. There, 1 or 2 other goal horns. I think. Alright, this is going in 3. There are 2 other goal horns that I like better. The reason why I deleted the other video, well, nobody saw it except for me, is because you couldn't hear me, so I had to re-upload, and I think I didn't have my microphone on. So I do now. We're all good, and I will see you in the next video, which I'm gonna upload soon. Bye, guys. Oh, and if I don't, yeah, I'll put a comment down below. If you can't hear me, I will put it saying I'm reacting to the goal horns, and I'll just link to, never mind. I'll just tell you the title, and you can go look it up. Bye, guys.